Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into AI uses that help you to create content for you. I'm so excited to share my insights and experiences with you, and I hope you find it helpful and informative. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoy the video, and subscribe to stay up to date with my latest content. Also, be sure to leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts and suggestions. I love hearing from you guys. Without further ado, let's get started.
Step 1 is create a story. Step 2 is create to audio for the story. Step 3 is create a video for the story. For story creation, I am using ChatGPT. Let's open ChatGPT. I'll already log into ChatGPT. If don't have account, then first sign up with your email ID, then log into ChatGPT. Onek you log in, you should type your story title like 100 word. 100 word story I have given for life, then copy the content 11 Labs, then paste the copy content under 11 Labs editor. Click on the play button to generate the audio, then click on the download button and save the file under your folder. Then open the DID and click on create a video. It will ask you log in, so here you can log into your Gmail account. Once you log in, then click on create a video. Here are two options there: choose as a presenter or choose as AI presenter. For my video, I have selected choose as a presenter and I uploaded my image. Then right corner selects audio and uploads the audio which you created from 11 Labs. Once your video is uploaded, you click on generate video button. It will take some time to load your video. Once your video is generated, click on download and save it in your folder. Let's look at the final result of the video.
She stood at the edge of the cliff, the wind whipping through her hair. Below her, the vast expanse of the ocean stretched out endlessly. In this moment, she realized the true value of life. It wasn't about accumulating wealth or fame, but about experiencing the beauty of the world and cherishing the people who made it worthwhile.